Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Mary Fidelis. This is where we focus on personal development and mental wellness. Today, we're tackling a common issue that affects so many of us: negative thinking. It can feel like a never-ending cycle, but the truth is, we all have the power to break free from these patterns and reclaim our peace of mind. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies to help you overcome negative thinking one step at a time. Let's dive in. Negative thinking often stems from a variety of sources: past experiences, fear of the future, low self-esteem, or even just the stress of daily life. When negative thoughts take over, they can cloud our judgment, lower our self-confidence, and prevent us from seeing the bigger picture. Recognizing where these thoughts come from is the first step toward freeing yourself from their grip. One of the most powerful techniques to combat negative thinking is learning to challenge your thoughts. Not every thought that crosses your mind is true or helpful. When you notice a negative thought creeping in, take a moment to ask yourself, is this thought based on fact, or is it just an assumption? Challenge it by looking for evidence that contradicts it. For example, if you're thinking, "I always fail," try to remember times when you've succeeded, no matter how small the victory. This helps you see things from a more balanced perspective. Reframing is another powerful tool. This means looking at a situation from a different, more positive angle. For example, instead of thinking, "This project is too hard, I'll never finish it," try reframing it. "This project is challenging, but I can take it one step at a time." Reframing helps you turn challenges into opportunities and setbacks into learning experiences. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to shift your perspective. Negative thinking often thrives when our minds are stuck in the past or worrying about the future. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay grounded in the present moment, reducing the power that these thoughts hold over you. A simple mindfulness exercise is to focus on your breath or engage all your senses in whatever task you're doing. By bringing your attention to the present, you reduce the influence of negative thoughts about what's happened or what might happen. Another way to break free from negative thinking is to limit your exposure to negative triggers. This could be negative media, toxic relationships, or even certain environments that cause you stress. Pay attention to how you feel after watching the news or scrolling through social media. If it leaves you feeling drained or anxious, take a break or set boundaries. Surround yourself with positivity instead, whether it's uplifting content, supportive friends, or activities that nourish your mind. Negative thinking often keeps us fixated on the problem, making it harder to see a way out. Instead, shift your focus to solutions. Ask yourself, what can I do to improve this situation? Or what's within my control? By focusing on what you can change, you'll feel more empowered and less overwhelmed by negative thoughts. This approach not only helps reduce anxiety, but also promotes a more optimistic outlook. Positive affirmations are short, empowering statements that can help you rewire your brain and replace negative thinking patterns with positive ones. Every time you repeat affirmations like, "I am enough," or "I choose happiness," you're training your brain to focus on the good rather than the bad. Make it a habit to start your day with positive affirmations, or write them down whenever you feel negative thoughts creeping in. Your environment has a big impact on your mindset. Surrounding yourself with positivity, whether it's uplifting people, motivational content, or activities that make you feel good, can help break the cycle of negative thinking. Choose to spend time with those who uplift you, consume content that inspires you, and engage in hobbies that bring you joy. Over time, these positive influences will help shift your mindset and keep you focused on the good. Breaking free from negative thinking patterns is a journey, not something that happens overnight. But with consistent effort, by challenging your thoughts, reframing situations, practicing mindfulness, limiting negativity, and focusing on solutions, you can retrain your brain and create a more positive, fulfilling life. Remember, the way you think shapes your reality, so take control and choose positivity. You've got this. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on mental wellness and personal growth. Let us know in the comments which strategies you're going to try to break free from negative thinking. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more tips on personal growth.